Before I start to check the battery, so I just want to share to you the meaning of error 21 is battery. It's either battery, BMS, or it's either the port is loose here. So first, we need to open this in order to check what is the issue inside. In order to open the screw here, okay, like these tools, size is 3 mm. I already opened the battery inside of the frame of the 9V Max G30, and here in this side there is a one port connected from battery to controller. So what I did is I just push this one. So in this case, if it still happen once you push, if the error shows still, that it means the problem will be the BMS or the controller. So in this case, I think the port here is already loose. So I just push only, and then as you can see here, once I turn on, so as you can see here now, there are no more error 21 shows. So see. So now the scooter is running properly.
Now let's test the top speed of 9V Max G30. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So the top speed is 33 kilometers per hour in display, with the battery of 90% only. So up next guys, I will share to you the how to install the front monorim suspension and then the rear monorim suspension plus review.